Omnisend Marketing Automation Tool Review. Usage Experience. Omnisend is a comprehensive marketing automation tool designed for e-commerce businesses looking to elevate their customer engagement and boost sales. This platform excels in providing a seamless way to manage email, SMS, and push notifications all in one place. With features like pre-built automation workflows, customizable email templates, and robust audience segmentation, Omnisend makes it easy to create highly targeted, personalized marketing campaigns. One of its standout features is the Automation Workflow Builder, which allows you to set up triggers based on customer behavior, such as abandoned cart emails or welcome series for new subscribers. It's also designed with busy e-commerce store owners in mind, featuring an intuitive drag-and-drop editor and integrations with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce and BigCommerce. What truly sets Omnisend apart is its multi-channel approach. You can combine email, SMS, and web push notifications into a single workflow, ensuring your message reaches customers through their preferred channel. The reporting dashboard provides detailed insights into campaign performance, including revenue attribution, click-through rates, and conversion tracking, so you can continuously optimize your strategies. Additionally, Omnisend offers advanced audience segmentation, enabling you to group customers by purchase history, location, or browsing habits for precise targeting. While the platform is user-friendly, it doesn't skimp on advanced features. For example, you can A/B test subject lines, email designs, and sending times to maximize engagement. The SMS marketing feature is particularly powerful, offering international reach and compliance with GDPR and other regulations. Omnisend is ideal for small to medium-sized e-commerce businesses that need powerful tools without the steep learning curve or hefty price tag of enterprise-level solutions. After using Omnisend extensively, I've found it significantly streamlines the marketing process, saving both time and effort while delivering impressive results. The real-time analytics and reporting are invaluable for identifying what's working and what isn't. However, it's worth noting that while Omnisend offers a free plan, some of the more advanced features, like SMS and web push notifications, are only available on paid tiers. In summary, Omnisend is a game-changer for e-commerce marketers. Its ease of use, powerful automation capabilities, and multi-channel functionality make it an indispensable tool for scaling your marketing efforts. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your current strategy, Omnisend delivers on its promise of efficiency and results.